Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can connect your Logitech Astro Gaming A30 headset. So to do this, you have to grab your headset and then simply power it on. So use this button, click and hold it until this indicator turns on. Right now we can release that button, and next click and hold the Bluetooth button until this indicator starts blinking. Just like that. Right now you are able to release. Put it close to your Android phone, then simply click and hold the Bluetooth. Go to the pair new device, and right now you have to select the Astro A30 headset. Now click pair, and after a few moments we will be successfully connected. Okay, right now we are connected, so click connect one more time. As you can see right now the device is active, so we can listen through our headset. And we have to also get the application to unlock more features. So type Logitech G Mobile in the Play Store on your Android device. So that's this application that we have to get. So let's install. Right now we can open. Accept all permissions that will pop on the screen. As you can see, when you previously connect them by standard Bluetooth settings, will be already connected in the application. So just simply click next. Right here we can simply rename our headset, but I'm gonna leave this default name Astro A30. So click save. Right now we can send some analytics data, but I'm gonna skip this one. As you can see, the setup is complete. So right now click continue. That's the quick guide. We can skip it by tapping right here, and there it is. As you can see, we are connected with our Android phone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.